According to Dalton's law, at constant volume and temperature, the total pressure of a non-reacting gas mixture is due to the sum of the individual gas pressures. And it totally makes sense that the individual parts come together to make up the whole part. The pressure of each gas is referred to as the partial pressure of that gas mixture, and it exists as if the other gases were not even present. As with other gas laws, this law is only valid when working with ideal gases. For calculations, this law is used to determine the individual pressures of each gas. For example, the air around us is a gas mixture. If we were to capture and analyze the partial pressures of each gas, we would discover that nitrogen contributes a partial pressure of 0.77 atmospheres. Oxygen has a partial pressure of 0.20 atmospheres. Water vapor contributes 0.01 atmospheres. Argon